my name is Shirley. I'm shooting this video because roughly 6 months ago, I had ongoing long-term chronic fatigue syndrome. In that process, I had been diagnosed with multiple gastrointestinal issues by various functional physicians to include small intestinal bacteria overgrowth, SIBO, as well as Hashimoto's. After the energy recharge, as well as the Restore the Belly Health programs, I am a different person in terms of my focus. I feel like now a champion. I highly recommend the BioRadiant program with Laura Frontiero. I have watched and witnessed an experience with a couple hundred other people and see their journeys, much like my own, improve. She has given us a lifetime wellness protocol that we can use forever. My life before BioRadiant Health and meeting Laura was a continuum of various practitioners, both Western and holistic and integrative, and they desperately tried with the 5R attempt to heal my Hashimoto's, my energy and fatigue issues, and to no avail. What made me say yes to Laura wasn't really the content. What really shifted me was listening to her conviction, because she was so committed to the process and she had such strong leadership. She made me feel as though this was a win-win situation. She was so personable and she was so authentic that I knew she had been down the road I had been down. I trusted that she knew the process and that she was going to guide and lead me. What it meant for me to be able to interpret my own lab results was profoundly empowering, because I've always been really smart and I'm really a self-studied type of person. My husband will tell you I'm kind of a Jackalade MD. But in all seriousness, what it really gave me was the feeling of confidence and empowerment like nothing else, because I knew no matter what happened, if I were to change or something were going to happen in the future where my condition was going to alter or falter or shift, I could figure it out. What I'm doing now that I wasn't able to do before is, hands down, I'm able to sleep. I'm able to sustain my routine better, such that I can anticipate if I have a big evening, I can get through the evening. I can travel. I've been to 3 different countries since I began this protocol. My ambition today is that I'm going to be more present for my family. I'm also able to be a partner to my husband, and we are both in leadership positions, and we are embracing those positions more confidently because we know we can get through it. And by the way, I had him go through it too. There are so many favorite Lauraisms, but my favorite is trust the process, and perfectionism is impossible. She's so real that you feel as though after being in this program that she's your best friend and that she's got your back.